In this vlog I continue the work on the kitchen build for my guest apartment in solid wood. I start assembling the pieces I made and cut lumber for the backside of the cabinets and the countertop. I experience some major setbacks though. I have some bad news. And I make more progress on the vintage wall cabinet. Will this fit? Oh yes. Slipa till exempel. Ja. have some bad news. My planer has broken down. My brand new planer. I opened up the cover that covers the machinery and I realized that one of the wheels was loose and it was missing a part. And I figured out that it's a part that I can buy in stores, but now that it's weekend, it's hard to come by. So I'm gonna have to continue the work on the kitchen next week. And I thought I would turn back to this old antique cabinet. And since I painted it, I have realized that I don't want to have a key mechanism in here, but I want to do it in a different way. That means that I will have to cover this hole where the key mechanism was. So I'm gonna start by that and then I'm gonna reglaze the doors. So I will use this piece. Just need to here you can see that I've opened up this cover. It's like this. And I figured that it's this part that keeps moving about. And it's missing something that holds this tight. I had to remove this wheel as well. Goes like this, and I realized because when I removed the part, it was lying right here, and the problem is that it's not feeding the wood. So I figured out these wheels are the ones that keep them turning, and that led me to the diagnostics. And it's a little pin like this, a round pin. And I can buy it, but it has led me to believe that maybe there is, I mean, it's not supposed to fall off after 1 week of use, so I'm gonna buy this part and try to get them to send me a new one or have it repaired. Either way, I'm gonna do both things so that there will be as little holdups as possible. We'll see what ein Haus is. Because of the breakdown of the planer, my weekend plans were ruined and I decided to go and help Anna out on her house.
Fresh and so clean. Så jag tror på...
This also gave me an opportunity to a beautiful bike ride in the nature between our villages on my new e-bike from Hitway. I really enjoy taking longer rides on the bike as it's so comfortable, and even though it's electrical, you move your body and improve your health, which is perfect for me when I need a mental and physical break from my sometimes monotonous work on the house. This is their Pt2 with a convenient step-through frame, disc brakes, powerful dual lights, a sturdy rear rack, a helpful display and great grip on the roads. this is drier than I thought. Let's see if we can cut away all the dry stuff. I'm gutted I couldn't keep working on planing so I could move forward with the cabinets and have them painted by now, but hopefully I will sort it out next week. But nonetheless, I have made some major progress and prepared for the next steps, even though I didn't finish any steps in this video. But this means there will be more exciting things in the next, as long as the planer works again. Otherwise, there will be an entirely different video. I will leave you with this cliffhanger and thank you for checking in on my progress. See you soon.